SiriusXM with 360L brings an unparalleled variety of premium content right into your Lincoln. Enjoy over 425 channels of ad-free music, live games, news, comedy, talk, exclusive performances, artist-dedicated channels, and so much more. To personalize your experience, we'll show you how to save and preset your favorite channels, never miss a game with live games, and explore on-demand and related content. To favorite content, simply tap the channel or team logo, wait for a blue star to appear, and it's done. You can access them under Settings and SiriusXM Favorites. Prefer quick access? Use presets. When listening to a channel, press and hold a memory preset button at the bottom of the screen to save a shortcut. Now access the channels you love with just one tap. With live games, you'll never miss a game, even on the road. From major leagues to college sports, enjoy every play live. Want more? On Demand gives you access to thousands of hours of exclusive content, such as interviews, in-studio performances, and talk shows anytime. To explore, tap Browse and select a category. Tap On Demand to access all the content. Here you can even restart an episode or skip ahead to the parts you enjoy the most. Love what you're listening to? Tap Related on the Now Playing screen, and SiriusXM will suggest channels that match the vibe of what you're currently enjoying, helping you discover new channels and talk shows. With SiriusXM with 360L, your vehicle becomes a hub of personalized entertainment, making it easier to enjoy more of what you love. Thanks for watching.